Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about issues with array. Now definitely we have seen that array is amazing. We have seen that definitely we can store collection of data within an array which can save huge amount of time, which will definitely save effort, which will help a programmer to build a better application. But there are issues. For example, I have created an array of 100 elements. Right? I have allocated the size of 100 element and I have stored only 2 elements in the array. Imagine how much amount of memory is wasted, because as soon as I have given the size of the array and I have initialized the array object, definitely the amount of memory for 100 element is allocated. But I am only using 2 spaces from the allocated memory, which is an issue, right? There is a wastage of memory. Moreover, now moving forward, let us check a opposite scenario where, for example, we have created an array of 10 elements. And there is a scenario where we wish to add a yet another element, which is the 11th element in the array. Now arrays are not dynamic. We won't be able to add a yet another element in the array which has only 10 element allocations. Now what is the solution? In fact, there is no solution. We need to stop our application. We have to modify the code and then we have to rerun the application. Again, this is not an optimal solution. What is the solution? Solution is to make use of smarter data structures. There are like data structures like array list, set, maps, etc, etc, and we will definitely check more of what we say data structures in our master course, right? So we will definitely check about these data structures, but this is the thing. When it comes to array, there are limitations, there are issues, and you must know about these issues whenever you are making use of an array. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.